YuJa has a wealth of analytical information available for instructors to help them better understand student viewing behaviors and support student learning. In order to see the analytics of any video in YuJa, begin by navigating back to the video. When you hover over the video on the right side of the screen, a pop-up menu will appear and you'll want to select the More option. This will take you to the individual video's settings. If you look on the gray sidebar, you'll see an option that reads Analytics. When you initially click Analytics, you'll get an overview of viewing behavior to include unique views, which tells you how many individual users are looking at this video, as well as how many total views the video has received. In order to view more in-depth analytics, you'll want to select the More option on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Underneath the More option, you'll immediately arrive at the summary screen. This shows you the same viewing behaviors chart that you saw initially, as well as a hotspots chart. Hotspots show segments of a video that have been repeatedly watched and how many times they have been watched. This can help you to understand which portions of a video cover content that students are struggling with that may need to be further broken down. If you select the playback option, you'll see a more detailed view of students by user and their viewing behaviors. So this will allow you to see when students first and last watched, what percentage of the video they watched, and how many or how far into the video they actually played. So did they watch the entire 10 minutes or did they only make it 4 minutes and 30 seconds into the video? Probably one of the most useful analytics here are the total views. This can help you to understand when an individual student may be struggling with a concept that the rest of the class is not struggling with. So when I look at the individual users here, I can see that most students watched this video 1 to 2 times, but that the top user watched this video 14 times, which may be an indicator that I should reach out to the student to see if they need additional support with this content. The final super useful analytic is technology. This is going to show you both the browser and the operating systems that students are using to access YuJa. Because YuJa content is typically embedded inside of Blackboard, this is also giving you insight into how these students are accessing Blackboard and can be really useful if you're trying to help a student with technology issues. So for example, if I saw that a student was accessing Blackboard through Internet Explorer, I would immediately want to reach out to that student because Blackboard is not designed to be used with Internet Explorer. There are other analytics available to you. You also have the option to download these analytics. They're available on any video that is inside of YuJa. If you have further questions about how to use these analytics, please reach out to Distance Education.